The Kuwait National Development Plan sets the nation's long-term development priorities. It's organized around 7 pillars or areas of focus for investment and improvement. Infrastructure. Develop and modernize the national infrastructure to improve the quality of life for all citizens. The Kuwait National Development Plan sets the nation's long-term development priorities. It's organized around 7 pillars or areas of focus for investment and improvement. Healthcare. Improve service quality in the public healthcare system and develop national capabilities at a reasonable cost.
AlSabah Hospital is planned to act as a general secondary care facility providing general and specialized clinical services. It will also support Al-Amiri Hospital in providing general secondary care services to the residents of Capital Governorate. The hospital will act as the first point of contact for patients sustaining trauma and requiring multidisciplinary management and stabilization prior to concluding their treatment within AlSabah Hospital or being referred to other specialized hospitals within the region. Kuwait Ministry of Health is the developer of the new AlSabah Hospital project, state-of-the-art multidisciplined hospital which is part of Kuwait's major upgrade of the public healthcare system. It is located on a site area of around 88,000 square meters and has an overall built-up area of about 265 square meters. 50% of the new AlSabah Hospital project has been completed and the project is expected to be concluded next year with a total cost of 179 million Kuwaiti dinars. The project comprises of a main building with a basement, a ground floor and 12 floors with a 512 bed capacity, in addition to 105 ICU beds. The hospital will also include casualty, radiology, general surgery, specialized surgery, nuclear medicine, physiotherapy, and respiratory departments, in addition to 72 OPDs, pharmacies, reception, labs, storage areas, and a heliport. The hospital administration building comprises of 8 floors, and that the nuclear medicine department would be equipped with state-of-the-art waste processing technology. The quality of the facade selected for the center is distinguished, with features of sustainability, endurance, and the ability to absorb noise and ensure the comfort of patients. The project will include an airstrip, a multi-parking building with the capacity to accommodate more than 1,200 cars. The project will cater for residents of Sabah Health Zones and its surrounding areas.
The state of Kuwait has provided a great attention to the health district, which serves all individuals residing in the country from citizens to expatriates, providing them with medical care. Hear from Mohammed AlTahnoon, under the supervision of Amiri Diwan, a large and modern project with a standard time period according to the size of project. And from TAM News, Minister of Health said completion of new Jahara Hospital project adds a selective addition to the healthcare process and a qualitative leap in health service. And here from Salem News, the new hospital project under the supervision of the Amiri Diwan on Monday, which includes 1,234 beds, 8 buildings and 4 towers for patient rooms. For more information or details regarding Kuwait development projects, please visit the website on the screen.
The Public Institution for Social Securities is keen to provide distinguished insurance services to the public by providing different documents in different places to serve citizens as part of its continuous efforts to improve service, facilitate procedures, and support insurance knowledge. Public Institution for Social Securities received its auditors through its own booth in the Avenues Mall. This comes within the framework of its strategy to facilitate the audience of business owners, insured, pensioners and beneficiaries by expanding the provision of services. The foundation seeks to provide district insurance services to all citizens in the state and its continuous efforts to benefit from its services. It also aims to expand the conduct of necessary transactions and increase the effectiveness of the performance of insurance services. Over the past years, the foundation has taken many steps to develop many of its services through the introduction and implementation of a number of automated programs for the implementation of insurance, financial and administrative work, pension disbursement, retirement lending, and other program services. The Public Institution for Social Securities keen to provide distinguished insurance services to the public by providing different documents in different places to serve citizens. Under the patronage of Minister of Health Dr. Basil AlSabah, the Salem Al Center for Speech and Hearing held a forum on the developments of the national program for the auditory hearing of newborn children to prevent hearing problems, diagnosis and treatment at an early age. The forum opens the doors of hope to the cases of hearing loss and hearing impairment and take care of them to ensure that they enjoy a healthy life and better. In light of the continuous development witnessed by the state of Kuwait in the treatment of cases of hearing disabilities in all its forms since the establishment of the National Program for Cochlear Implementation in 2001, the Ministry of Health is keen to upgrade its health services in all its various sectors.
This conference is going to be about the latest updates regarding the new universal and unital screening. This program started in Kuwait 2003 and it's covering the governmental hospitals mainly and examining about more than 23,000 newborns. So we are evaluating this program this year and for the first time to be with the private sector, because the hearing is important for the people, so it's can develop their language and also their communication skills. So we would like to discover every single case. We don't want to miss any case actually. So this is the most important thing in this part. And so after this conference, we are going to look at our weakness or our obstacles, and we need to discuss it and put the solutions for it. So we don't want to miss any single case, and also to improve our percentage, which is 86%. We need to reach for 100%, and we need to increase the awareness among people in Kuwait so they know that they should do this test.
It's important to be aware of the causes of hearing loss and to help those who are exposed to it through timely and effective intervention.
Today we are talking about one of the very important programs in Kuwait, which is the hearing or assessment of the hearing in the children. It is very important. Communication between all of us, it depends upon the hearing. So the team in Sheikh Salem Al Center, they are very interested in this. They have created this program. I wish them all the best, and we will see the result of such programs inshallah in the future.
Such a forum opens the doors of hope to the cases of hearing loss and hearing impairment and take care of them to ensure that they enjoy a healthy life, and is an important station to follow the latest developments, research and scientific programs for newborns.